Hey guys, Amber Lee here. So I am on one of my opt-in pages that I just created, and I wanted to do this training because I wanted to show you all how to create a header for your pages so that they just look a little bit more professional. So I just kind of threw this one together really quick just so that I would have an example to show you all. So I want to go through a little bit of how I do it. I actually use a system. I use the Power Lead system just because it's one of the only ones that I know that allows me to create a header on top just to make my pages look a little bit more personalized, a little bit more professional. So let me show you how I did this. So the first thing that you want to do is you go into websites and then web pages, and then you go to create web pages. So with a custom, and you want to do an opt-in form because that's what I was creating. So I scrolled down and I chose this one. This one has a header and this one has a header. I actually like this one a little bit better just because it was better with what I was doing. And I chose this one. So guys, just kind of like the psychology behind this is, everybody's using opt-in pages. Everybody's, starting to use things. They've been using them for a while. You just kind of want to do something that's going to set yourself apart a little bit. This is part of branding yourself. This is part of you Inc., attraction marketing, all that good stuff. You want to make sure that you kind of put your touch on everything. To me, I'm usually that type of person that goes into a system and just uses the basics of it. Um, but the system is so easy to use, and being able to learn to do things like this that can personalize my stuff, just it'll take your business to the next level, whatever you're doing, whether it's network marketing, internet marketing, small business, whatever your niche is. So anyways, okay, so we're just kind of going to set this up. I'm just going to kind of do a test one, guys, just so that you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to name it, go down here. Normally I would put in like the description to give it SEO and the keywords, which is really cool that you can do with this system too. Save changes. Okay, so now I am right here where you can put your header in. So you want to do your header images goes here. Okay, so I've already created some. When you first go in, the first thing you want to do is you want to click here to create your own header footer. And you're going to want to go here. When you go here, it's going to take you to a web page going to kind of explain to you what X header is, all that good stuff. And you're going to want to scroll down. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. So if you scroll down, eventually somewhere in here, it's going to give you the option to download it. Here it is. So you'll download it, and it'll download the program onto your computer itself. Once it does that, you're going to have this icon. It'll be right here on your computer. So just want to kind of show you this a little bit too, so I can show you how I did it. So once you're on the welcome page, you're going to want to go to new. And I loaded from the library. Okay, not sure what happened. Here we go. So I just went to design graphics. Actually went to the second page and chose this one. So what you'll do is you'll just choose one of these, and then you have all these options. You could do the text. You could put whatever you want in here. Amber's marketing. page, whatever. You can change the font on it. Sorry, this little funny thing came up. So you can change the font on it. You could change, you know, how it looks. Put it over here. So just want to show you how I got my picture on there. What I did was I went to image and I just chose one of my pictures in here. I had chose this one and I just did this to make it a little bit smaller. Put it right here. And then the way that I got it to look like it was not really there is I used transparency, and then I just did it like this, and it'll kind of blend in, or however you want it to do. But anyways, so that's how you do it. Now, I want to show you this. When you save it, you want to save as, and then make sure you save it as a JPEG. Just because if you don't, it won't. You won't be able to upload it into here. So once I did that, you could choose your own file. Mine are already loaded, but you'll just choose the file. Chose this one, and you'll press open. So what it's going to do is it's going to pull it up right here, and then you have to press submit. Once you submit it, then you could just click on it. You want to click twice on whichever one you want. This is another one that I did earlier. And you'll just kind of upload it, and then you do your headline and all that for your opt-in page. But that's how you get the header on there. So yeah, that's how you get your header on there to make your pages a little bit more professional. Your thank you pages or whatever it is that you're creating in here. If you want to get this, if you want this program, you want to use this in your marketing, you can go to amberleadsystem.com and you can get it there. There's a 7-day free trial. It's only $30 a month, $53 if you want to be an affiliate. So it's not that much. There's a autoresponder built in, so you don't need an extra autoresponder if you don't want it. Everything that you need is already built into the system. So, alright guys, that's how you create the header. I hope that that helped you, and I will see you all later. Happy marketing!